Welcome back. In this video I am going to show you everything about junk emails in Microsoft Outlook. You will learn what junk email means, how to block unwanted senders, how to mark safe senders, and how to manage junk email settings step by step. First, let's open Outlook. On the left side in the folder pane you will see a folder called junk email. This is where Outlook automatically moves suspicious or unwanted emails. Sometimes genuine emails also go here, so it's good idea to check this folder once in a while. Now let's see how to control junk manually. If you receive an email that looks suspicious or unwanted, you can right click on it. In the right click menu, you will see an option called junk. When you hover your mouse over it, a small submenu appears. The first option is block sender. If you choose this, Outlook will automatically move future messages from that person to the junk folder. You will also see a message at the bottom saying the sender has been added to your block senders list. Never block sender. Next we have never block sender. Use this when Outlook marks a genuine email as junk. Selecting this option will add that sender to your safe sender list, so future emails from them will always arrive in your inbox. Never block sender's domain. This is useful for company emails. For example, if you want to trust all emails from example at yourcompany.com, choose never block senders domain. Then every email from that domain will bypass junk filtering. Never block this group or mailings list. If you are part of a mailing list, this option keeps all those emails safe. Outlook won't treat them as junk anymore. Not junk. If Outlook mistakenly puts a good email in junk, right click and select junk, not junk. A pop-up window will appear asking always trust email from this sender. Tick the box if you trust it, then click OK. The email will move back to your inbox and Outlook will learn from this correction. Junk email option. Finally, let's click junk email option. This opens the main setting window for junk filtering. Under the option tab, you can choose how aggressively Outlook filters junk email. Let's go through each level. No automatic filtering. This turn off Outlook junk filter. Only the addresses in your block senders list will be treated as junk. Low. Catch only the most obvious junk messages. This is the default and works well for most users. High. Filters almost all suspected junk, but you should check your junk folder often because some real email might be moved by mistake. Safe list only. Only messages from people or domains on your safe sender list will go to your inbox. Everything else goes to junk. This is very strict but useful in business accounts. Safe senders. Here you can add the email address or domain you trust. Click add. Type the address. For example, info@company.com and click OK. You can also import or export your safe senders list from here. There's also a checkbox that says also trust email from my contact. Keep this turned on so people saved in your address book are always trusted. Block senders. This tab shows all the email addresses or domain that you are blocked. You can click add to block new ones or remove to unblock someone if need. Safe recipient. If you are part of group email list or distribution list that you want to trust, add them here. Outlook won't send those messages to junk. International. This tab is for advanced user. You can block email written in certain languages or coming from a specific country domain. For example, block all messages from RU, Russia or CN China. If you keep getting spam from there, after you finish adjusting the setting, click apply and then OK. Outlook will immediately start using your new junk email preference. If you receive an email that looks like a scam or phishing attempt, go to Home, Junk, Report Phishing. This helps Microsoft improve spam protection for everyone. So that's everything you need to know about junk email in Outlook. You learn how to block senders, mark safe emails and adjust all junk options. If you follow these steps, your inbox will stay clean and secure. Now we are going to explore the Home tab in Microsoft Outlook. This is the tab you will use the most. It is where you read, reply, organize and manage your email quickly. New email group. This is where you start communication. New email. Click here to create a new message. You will get a blank window to type your email. New items. This includes other options like creating a new meeting, appointment, contact or task, not just email. Example, click new item, meeting to directly schedule a meeting without going to the calendar tab. Delete group. When your inbox is full of old messages, this area helps keep things clean. Delete, remove the selected email and sends it to the deleted items folder. Ignore. If a mail thread keeps getting reply you don't care about, choose ignore. Outlook will automatically move all future replies from that conversation to deleted items. Junk. Mark emails as spam or block senders here. Clean up. This is an advanced feature. It removes duplicate email in a conversation. Very helpful to reduce clutter. Respond group. Use it when you reply or forward emails. Reply. Response to the send only. Reply all. Sends your reply to everyone on the email. Forward. Sends the same message to someone new. Meeting. Converts an email into a calendar meeting. Outlook will attach a message automatically. More. Reply with IM. If you use Teams or Skype, allows you to reply instantly with chat. Quick setup group advanced. Quick setup group. This is like automation for your emails work. You can create shortcut, for example, move to folder, mark as read, forward to manager, reply and delete. You can customize quick steps to perform multiple actions in one click. It is a real-time saver for professional. Move group. This helps organize your message into folders. Move. Send selected email to another folder. Rules. Automatically move email based on condition like sender subject keyword. Example, move all message from your boss into the manager folder. Always move message from. Outlook will automatically move future messages from that person. Text group used to mark and prioritize email. Categorize. Add color categories to email, for example red, urgent, blue, info, follow up. Adds black so you don't forget to reply or complete an action. Mark as read, unread helps you track which messages you are checked. Find group. When your inbox has thousands of messages, this section is your best friend. Search box. Type keyword, send a name or subject to find any mail. Filter email. Quickly filter by unread, flag or hash attachment. Search tools gives advanced option like searching by date, folder or size. So that's everything on the home tab. This tab is your daily control center in Outlook, where you create emails, reply, organize and even automate your workflow. Once you master these tools, you will handle emails faster, cleaner, and more professionally.